Mr. Amante and Tito Ross. Welcome to the show. Welcome, sir.
Sharon, on behalf of the Greater Manila Theatres Association, we would like to present to you this testimonial which says, the Greater Manila Theatres Association presents this testimonial to Ms. Sharon Cuneta, megastar and actress ng Pareha, in grateful acknowledgement of the consistently strong box office performance of the motion pictures she starred in during the last 5 years, due without doubt to the consummate artistry and steadfast professionalism. Given this 11th day of June 1989 at Metro Manila, Philippines, signed by our President, Mr. Marcos B. Rosas Sr., and by myself as Vice President of the Greater Manila Theatre Association.
Thank you very much, Mr. Amante. Thank you very much. Oh, this is from the Greater Manila Theatres Association. Maraming salamat po. And I'd like to say thank you again, especially for this year's films, Tatlong Mukha ng Pag-ibig, and of course, Kahit Wala Ka Na. Maraming salamat po. Asahan niyo po, sisikapin ko pong bigyan pa ho kayo ng kaligayahan sa pamamagitan ho ng mga pelikula ko. At syempre ng The Sharon Cuneta Show. Maraming salamat po and thank you very much, Mr. Amante. My goodness. Now, Mr. Amante, this is Mr. Rossellino. And we'd like to welcome him to the show, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Rossellino.
Thank you. And good evening.
Good evening, Tito Ross.
You know, I'm surprised.
Why, Tito Ross?
Iba ang aura mo ngayon. You know, if I must say, you bubble and sparkle like pink champagne.
Oh my goodness, thank you.
Is there any reason why you are like
For
that?
my bubbling and sparkling?
Yes.
No, I think it's all the blessings that God has been showering me with, like the success of, well, Kahit Wala Ka Na, and the success of the show, and parang everything na nagpahinga sandali, everything is coming my way once again, and I'm very grateful to Him. At sa lahat, syempre, ng nandito ngayon, at sa lahat ng tumatangkilik po sa lahat ng ginagawa ko.
You deserve that. You
Thank you,
richly
Tito Ross.
deserve everything that comes to you.
Thank you very much, Tito.
For being a nice lady.
Nako, thank you, Tito.
Anyway.
And of course, because of my daughter also, and my parents, my family, the rest
That's
of
it.
the family.
Now, I noticed that your picture is now on its second week, and people still queue up.
They still
Now,
do, really, thank you.
Is it because the story comes close to home base that
You know,
people see your movie?
I think for Kahit Wala Ka Na especially, I think that kind of help, Tito, no? Kasi yung nakatulong yung, akala siguro nila yun ang buhay ko, when actually hindi. Nagkakalapit lang ho yung, like I've always said, no, yung role ko at saka yung mga nangyari sa akin sa tunay na buhay, may konting similaridad, pero marami rin pong magkaiba. Kaya siguro nakatulong din po yun, Tito.
Okay. May isang tanong dito, galing sa iyong fan from Batangas City.
Opo.
No? This is from Rosie Rimando. Sabi niya, nakatambal mo na raw si Richard Gomez at balitang may crush sa iyo. Is there any truth to this?
Honestly, I don't know, Tito. No, but I've worked with Richard in 2 movies and we're very good friends, actually. Wala akong nakikita namang signs na ganun. Pero, mabait siya, tsaka magaling siyang katrabaho, and I'm looking forward to doing many more movies with Richard.
That's
Yan
good.
po.
Now, ito naman, ang latest observation, ano? That yung mga artista dati na puro nagdi-deny, ano? Lately, have been admitting, no? Yung mga nagdi-deny noon, ay ngayon umaamin na rin. Now, mayroon ka bang aaminin ngayon?
Ayun, ha? Wala naman ho, ako talagang tinatago eh. Sinasabi ko naman sa inyo, di ba, kung ano talaga yung yung score sa kung sino-sino. Ganun ho. Pero no, I have nothing really to hide. Kasi ang akin ho, mas mabuting nakikita nilang ganun eh. Kaysa
Oo.
sa, ano.
Kung sa bagay, you are one of the most, let's say, frank and honest
You know, it's,
celebrity.
you know, it helps to be like that, Tito.
Yeah.
Although, of course, there are some things to protect the interest of, let's say, another party or a lot of people, no? Some other people involved with you and your life. Siyempre, you keep a lot of things private. Pero as much as I can say, I do. Kasi mas mabuti na yung ganon. Tito, eh.
You know, that's understandable. And besides, I'd like to think, personally, I'd like to think that movie stars also deserve to have a little privacy
Yes,
of their
Tito,
lives.
because after all, we're human beings also.
Hindi
diba?
porke public property daw,
Oo.
lahat na
Parang you have to tell them,
lalantad na,
opo.
no?
Kasi sabi ko nga, kami ay nandito to entertain. Pero,
That's it.
kunyari, ordinaryong tao, kahit sino dito sa audience natin ngayong gabi, kahit sino sa inyo, tanungin ko, gusto nyo bang yung buhay nyo pinakikialaman? Hindi, di ba?
Yeah,
Ganun
that's
lang
right.
yun. Oo.
Now, meron pa rin isang tanong dito. Galing kay Rolina Como.
Welcome
From
pala sa mga tiga Santa Clara at Batangas.
Santa
Yan.
Clara, no?
Mhm.
Sabi niya, marami na raw shows ang pinoproduce ng Viva.
Mhm.
Hindi ka raw ba na-insecure na mapapabayaan ka ng home studio mo?
You know, last year, like, for instance, last year, alam naman ho ng lahat ng tao na medyo, dahil sa mga hindi naman mapigilang pangyayari o sa mga hindi naman kagustuhan ng Viva, syempre medyo napabayaan ako. Hindi lang ho ako, marami kami sa kumpanya. Pero ngayon, ayos na ho yun. And I think na hindi naman pwedeng sa kumpanya, ako na lang ang artista, hindi ba kahit sa ang kumpanya, hindi pwedeng iisa lang. So, hindi naman pwede rin iisang show lang ang pinoproduce kasi this is a business after all. So, okay lang ho sa akin yon. Basta pantay-pantay kami.
That's it. Besides, Viva takes care of its contract stars.
Yes,
I know
Tito.
that for a fact.
Oho.
Now, last question.
Yes, Tito. Opo.
Now, I think this had been asked you before, no?
Opo.
If you were to live your life all over again, which episode or part of your life would you invariably avoid or omit?
Well, I think because of what happened, no, yung now I'm separated and all that, and of course everybody knows I got out of my marriage. So to avoid that what do you call it, event again, it was a big event, or that crisis again, I would probably omit the part of my marrying early. Although, parang ayoko rin dahil kung hindi ako nag-asawa, wala akong Casey, di ba? So, yun na lang po.
Thank you, Shia.
Thank you very much,
And it
Tito
was
Ross.
my pleasure.
Ay, my pleasure, Tito Ross. We hope to have you back again. And Tito Ross, please tell Tito Rani, I am just dying to start our movie together. And
In fact, he said one of these days, he'll pair with you.
yan, kahit konting pagtingin kami ni Fernando Po Jr.
Okay.
And ang susunod kong pelikula, I think, no, ayoko pa hong i-announce yung title, pero pag natuloy po, it will also be directed by Lino Broca and baka lang, kasama ko ho si Christopher De Leon at si Hilda Coronel. Yan po.
Wow.
Okay?
That would be the day.
Ay, that would be the day. I am so excited because they are two of my idols, really. And Tito, with your permission at sa inyo pong lahat, meron lang po akong ilang gustong batiin. First of all, my Tita Edna Bacosa,